Each individual machine is subjected to a running-in test. But for some motorcycles, this test is not the final one, because the quality of currently assembled machines is constantly being verified also by running in over difficult terrain. This is the only way to find out what punishment the Jawa CZ can take and what it can do. All machines, including the lightest, the 50cc capacity mopeds, are run in for hundreds of kilometers. Here is one of the mopeds being tested by the victor of so many road races, the well-known Czechoslovak rider František Šťastný.